Hi, I'm Mark from Mark for the Cyberbeast. This is part 2 in EVBase's Molle Rack, so stay tuned. And welcome back. So if you recall, the part 1 episode of EVBase with the Molle Rack, the right-sided panel for the Molle Rack got lost in shipment, so they sent me a new one. Mounted it pretty easy. If you recall, there's basically 4 parts to this. There's a bracket here, and a bracket here. All it is 2 bolts on each of them. And then it goes in here, and then you've got your 3 different circles that go into your rail, and you just tighten it in. It's a quick and easy install. Doesn't take much time at all. But now we're going to go back to the driver's side or left side. Kind of want to show you what we did. Now, if you know about pickups, I've been a pickup truck owner for 35 years. All of my pickup truck beds have been this height, right? It just goes to this height and just goes all the way across. But because of the shape of the Cybertruck, you get this extra area. So they decided to use the Molle Racks as a way to utilize it for storage. Now, I don't have a whole lot of use because I'm not a contractor. I do fix homes and our own homes and jet ski and tow stuff and so forth. But for right now, I just have 2 things. In an earlier episode, we talked about air inflators. I got my rigid air inflator right here, and that's mounted. I'll show you how I do that. Also have my security Torx bit right here, because if you know, your rail system right here on both sides and also your bottle opener is all secured in with Torx bits. So if you ever want to move these, you need to have a Torx bit, okay? So what I've done is I've actually gone to Amazon, and gotten some Velcro items, or straps I should say, to tighten things on to the Molle Rack. Now they also, through EVBase, they actually have an accessory. It's kind of like a bungee strap, really good option as well. I forgot to order those, so I got this instead. But it goes right in here, and you can put sawzalls and drills and everything and just mount it on in here. Makes a good use for that space from EVBase. They've got some great products and a couple more items that we're going to talk about in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned. And remember, hit like, comment, subscribe. Down below I have the link for the EVBase Molle Rack for you to use with our discount code, so check that out and we'll see you again.